Why is grounding essential for anti-static PC building? Imagine working on your gaming PC and suddenly feeling a tiny shock. That little zap might seem harmless, but it can actually cause serious damage to your components. When building or maintaining a computer, especially for gaming, protecting your parts from static electricity is a must. Static electricity is an imbalance of electric charges that can build up on your body, tools, or work surface. If you touch sensitive parts like the CPU, RAM, or motherboard without proper precautions, a sudden static discharge can fry tiny circuits inside. This damage might not be obvious right away but can lead to hardware failures later on. Grounding creates a safe path for static electricity to flow into the earth instead of into your computer parts. When you are grounded, your body and tools are at the same electrical potential as the computer case and components. This means any static charge that builds up will dissipate harmlessly. To do this, many builders wear an anti-static wrist strap connected to a grounded point. This strap keeps your body at the same voltage level as the computer parts, preventing static buildup. You can also use an anti-static mat on your work surface, which is connected to ground, so any static on your tools or case is safely discharged. Another important step is ensuring your computer case itself is grounded. This is often done by placing it on a grounded mat or connecting it to a grounded outlet. When the case is grounded, it acts as a common reference point for all components, reducing the risk of static damage. Without proper grounding, even a tiny static shock can cause subtle damage that might reduce your hardware's lifespan or cause crashes during gaming. For gamers, this is especially important because high-performance parts like graphics cards and processors are sensitive to static. These parts are often expensive and delicate, so protecting them during assembly or upgrades saves money and time. Proper grounding helps keep your components stable and reliable over time. In short, grounding is a simple but vital step in anti-static precautions. It controls static electricity, prevents damage to your hardware, and keeps your gaming system running smoothly. Using wrist straps, grounded mats, and a well-set workspace creates a static-safe environment. This way, your investment in gaming gear stays protected, and you can focus on building or upgrading without worry.